Hello.
Colors.
Welcome sa ating BL at CBTL. Ito, totoo na to. Nasa
Nagsibitan
CBTL
talaga
na
kami.
kami.
Hindi to take away siguro.
Hindi siya take away. Dahil. Cheers.
So, she's drinking the vanilla again. I'm trying the matcha cookie matcha latte.
Ano siya, yung Christmas season, ano nila? Seasonal drink. Magkukuha ulit siya. Magtatry ulit siya magkuha ng
Bag.
Kasi like every year, similar with Starbucks, meron silang sticker stamp promo.
Yung sa Starbucks kasi, kadalasan cup lang or planner. Wala akong plano sa buhay. So, bag na lang.
So, yeah.
Papagalitan na naman ako sa akin. May winner akong bag.
So, ang ating istorya title for today is Koishite, Kishite, Kanjai Tai.
Aba.
Pakita ko. Wait.
Parang vanilla lang.
Ayan siya. Ayan. So, again, Koishite, Kishite, Kanjai Tai.
Love. And this. And
So, summary. Wala. Oh. So, baka pag sinearch mo, baka may makita ka. So, summary, it's not easy to find partners for Omegas and Alphas. Omega Akihiro's family knows this, and so they also know how lucky they are to be able to arrange a marriage for him with Rhea. He's an alpha, he lives nearby, he's the same age as Akihiro, and he's apparently a wonderful person. Although their arrangement is initially one that neither of the boys are interested in, feelings change once they see the other side of each other. So, ito is going to be very quick. Well, hindi very quick. Quick enough. Kasi,
hindi lang ng 30 minutes.
Hindi lalagpas ng 30 minutes kasi ang relationship nila dalawa is very slice of life.
Straightforward lang.
Oo. Etong manga to, all fluff. Walang drama. Walang kahit isang conflict. Walang kahit isang
anything.
Walang antagonist. Walang
lang kasi na in-arrange marriage sila ng parents. So, yun yung pinaka-issue nun eh.
Actually, in the beginning, hindi siya issue talaga. It was never an issue between the two of them. So, yung ano nila, yung parang, yung unang pagkikita nila, or yung unang pagkikita nila, nag-usap yung parents, na the parents decided na, oo.
Sila since isang alpha, isang omega.
Oo. Okay. Kasi, in this, very rare.
Ang omega.
Ang omega and alpha is very rare. So, nagkataon lang na itong si Akihiro, si Rhea, nakatira nearby and friend ng mother.
Yun na nga ang point ko. Hindi sila discriminatory sa omega dyan sa palabas na yun.
Wala nga ganun, okay. Wala. So, ang daily life lang nila pinapakita. Like, pinakita kung paano sila na nagkakilala, yun nga, yung introduction ng parents, and then introduction ng parents, and then nung una, of course, syempre medyo awkward sila sa isa't isa, but then slowly they started to get to know each other. And then tinanong siya one time ni Akihiro, si Rhea. Si Akihiro is the omega. Si Rhea yung alpha. Tinanong ni Akihiro si Rhea kung kailan niya na-realize na
he's okay with it?
No, he fell for Akihiro.
Ganun usapan agad?
Oo. Ano sila ha? Second year high school.
Okay.
Second year high school, and so parang ang sabi, ang pinakita pang scene is they fell for each other at the same time.
Well,
Oo nga, ang cute nga. Ang cute nga lang ng manga na to. This is a very, if you want like a really beginner Omegaverse,
BL omega.
Omega BL Yaoi Omegaverse.
Sa kanila. Isipin nila na Omegaverse ganyan.
Oh, this is a very rare occurrence. Na walang walang anything. Oh, wala. So, so ito pinakita nito kung paano sila like they started seeing each other as couple. Tapos pinakita yung daily life nila, like of course studying together, ganyan. And then
students.
oo, second year high school nga sila. And ang matindi pa nito, so they're both horny students. So they do everything but sex.
Oh.
Kasi ang sabi ng parents nila sa kanila dalawa, it's not allowed. They're not allowed to do that.
Okay.
However, since, horny teenagers, so, they do everything else.
Not allowed.
Oo. So, they kiss each other, they make out, they touch each other, and then, they jerk each other off, ganyan. Tapos, dito, they want to do it. They both want to do it. They can't do it. At saka,
Young, they're still young.
they're still young. And then, pero one time, since meron silang may pareho silang close friend na parehong beta. So, si Rhea, may friend siya sa classroom nila, beta. Si Akihiro, may friend siya pero lower level, pero beta din.
Okay.
So, one level below. They're very supportive friends. So, one time, nagbigay ng condom. Itong yung friend ni Rhea. So, hindi, separate friend. So, ngayon sila, so, during that day, nung binigay ni friend kay Rhea yung condom, wala na, lutang na si kuya mo. But he can't wait to use it. He can't wait to use it. So parang, wala nang naririnig, wala nang anything. Meron pa silang kasi.
Yung sa'yo, dead man na nga siya.
Oo, na nga siya. Not paying attention anymore. Pikit. Wait na nga. Pause lang tayo. Pikit. Mayos ka na po, pikit. So, yung dahil nga sobrang distracted siya, napansin ngayon ni Akihiro. Pero hindi sila magkaklase ha. Ano lang sila, schoolmate sila, different section.
Ano napansin?
Nung papauwi na sila, nalutang itong nagkukwento dagdagan mo pa ng konti itong kabala. Light lang. So, nagkukwento si Akihiro, parang hindi naririnig ni Rhea. So, ngayon, kinonfronta siya ni
Rhea as in R-E-A.
R-E-I-Y-A. Ray, yeah.
Parang tanga. Sige.
So, ngayon, nung nakarating sila sa bahay ni Akihiro.
But they are allowed to stay at each other.
Oo. Before dumating yung parents. Pagdating ng parents, So, ngayon, nung pagdating nila sa kwarto, hindi. Sinabi niya muna yung reason kung bakit siya ganun. Bakit siya lutang.
Honest.
Oo. Binigyan daw siya ng condom ito. Hindi nila alam kung saan nakuha. Hindi ko siya nakuha. Oo, kung saan galing. Siyempre, they're high school students. Illegal bumili ng ganun.
Talaga ba?
Kasi hindi allowed.
Sa Japan?
Hindi sila makakabili ng condom. Yun yung sabi doon sa manga ha. That they can't buy it because they're underage. So, yun yung
Smoky eyes.
So, ang hula nila baka galing dun sa kuya. Ninenok nito ni friend.
Okay.
So, ngayon, they try.
Kala mo, pag ilalagay mo sa kayo yun. Mas masarap. Lasa mo yung matcha, pero more cookies and cream. Fine. Tapos, sa akin yung stamp. Bigay sa
So, they tried. Kaya lang, so sobrang excited ni Rhea. Hindi niya pa nilalagay. Nilabas na siya.
Okay.
So, katanong ngayon doon si Akihiro. Siyempre, ito medyo embarrassing isa. But, it's like for them, like, they're very,
Susuma kasi sila so parang maalam.
patanga lang kasi mapata pa eh. So, exploration, like, chuba-chuba, ganyan. So, parang sila disappointed, of course. Since they couldn't, whatever, ganyan. So, lumipas yung mga araw, ganyan. Usually, kapag magkasama silang apat, so yung friend ni Akihiro, at saka yung friend ni Rhea, there were times na naglalako yung dalawa, si Rhea at si Akihiro. Ang sabi ng isang friend ni Akihiro, and yung friend ni Rhea, they're probably hiding somewhere kissing. So, ganun sila. Tapos after nung New Year, after New Year's,
bago kita nyo kasi cancel pala siya.
So after New Year's, magbo-birthday na yata to si Akihiro. Ngayon, they celebrated with their friends, ganyan. Tapos, hindi niya pa nabubuksan yung mga gifts niya. Pag-uwi niya sa bahay, kasama niya of course si Rhea. Tapos, may inabot daw sa kanya yung friend niya,
ito na naman tayo.
Ito, yung friend naman ni Akihiro.
Babae naman.
Oo, yung babaeng friend niya na Beta.
Okay.
Tapos, nakabago, of course. Pagbukas sila, isang box.
Hindi na isang piraso.
10 pieces. so they decided like to do it. They can try as many as possible because madami yung box, 10 naman. So it's okay that if they make a mistake, ganyan. They can try again 10 times eh. So ang usapan nila ganyan. Sabi ni Akihiro, girls are so scary. they're very determined, ganyan. Okay, yung may nangyari sa kanila. Ito pala, silang dalawa pala has never gone into heat before. They were both classified already as Omega and Alpha, pero hindi pa dumarating sa heat stage.
May ganun pala. Hindi siya agad-agad. Nakala ko
agad-agad.
Tapos di ba iba as early as 10? Nag-hit na. Sa bangga na tayo.
Usually, middle school.
Yeah, 10, 11.
Hindi. Middle school, na-determine.
Na-determine.
Pero hindi instant na nag-go into heat.
Okay.
So, nasa school sila, mag-PPE si Akihiro. He went into heat, his first heat. So, syempre, may quarantine sila area sa school. Taray nga eh. At saka siya enclosed. Oo. Walang ganun. Very very friendly. Very Omegaverse friendly yung world nila.
Again, disclaimer. Bihira to. Super rare. Rare na, super.
So, itong nangyari. Hindi ngayon pwede makapasok ito si Rhea. Kasi sabi ng doktor, this is his first heat.
Delikado.
Oo, medyo delikado. And then, if you want to see each other, kailangan mag-injection pa itong si Rhea.
Para hindi siya tablan?
Parang prohibit.
Bakit hindi yung bigyan ng...
Hindi, nabigyan ng gamot, syempre. Pero, syempre, dahil first hit, medyo unstable. So,
Bakit ganun? Okay ba? Kaysa ang gamit nila. Pero magkasama sila. So, ano masa sila? Dati saling kit-kit. Sorry, chumchik.
Possible.
Anyways, continue.
Anyhow, nung na-injection na si Rhea, parang sabi niya na it's very difficult for Omegas, ganyan-ganyan. And of course, he must be so scared. Akihiro must be so scared because I'm not with him. But very, very loving. Very thoughts niya.
Very young and
well,
innocent-ish.
Oo, gano'n. Pero Anyways, yun yung first hit nila. After, di ba, after nila mag-sex, a couple of days after that, na went into his, si Takahiro. So, um, ano lang naman, pinakita lang yung, of course, yung daily life lang yan. Then they graduated. After na graduate ng high school, their parents allowed them to actually get married.
Oh, agad? Senior
So, after high school. So before they entered university, they were allowed to get married by their parents. And they were allowed to make, to bond.
Na.
Oo.
Okay.
So, ang pinaka-extra niya,
Is yung mating nila?
hindi.
Hindi.
May pinakita yung sex nila and everything, yung first sex nila. But after that, wala na. Hindi na pinakita ulit. So,
Light ng malala.
oo. So, after that, pinakita na college na sila. So,
Yun yung extra?
Oo, yung extra. Pinakita na college na sila. They're both wearing rings. Tapos may kagat na si Akihiro. So, yun na yun.
Saan na ulit ng parents ko nun?
Oo nga eh. Di ba?
Kasi
Very-
promise, traumatizing ang kamay ko. Virtually ko ulan.
Mm-mm.
Lalo kung bago ka. Tapos yun yung unang mababasa. Super traumatizing.
Madaming magandang Omegaverse.
Hindi naman yung fact na hindi maganda. Yung fact na marami nangyayaring nare-rape. Tapos na normal ka Omegang, ayun, na normal sa Omega yung minabolang niya. Kasi ganun yung, kasi ganun yung society. Oo.
Unfortunately.
Bakit kasi inimbento yung Omegaverse, ganun yung ginawa? Saan inayos niya?
Actually, ang first
Malibro yan.
documented book ng Omegaverse is S yata.
Kaya nga, yun yung point ko. Bakit din inayos? Bakit hinayaan ganun? Kalokot sa akin.
So, yeah. Yun na yun. The istorya. Di ba ang ikli? He's very cute. Oo. Very fluffy lang talaga siya. Wala siyang, as I mentioned, wala siyang drama at all. Wala siyang angst at all. Ano lang talaga, mamamatay ka sa pagiging single kung single ka.
Yun, sana,
Pinaparamdam talaga sa'yo na single ka. Yun siya. So, very, very fluffy, very loving, it's really good. It's really good. If you're looking for something na very light, na lang talaga, lovey-dovey lang talaga, this is for you.
that's the way to do. Again, disclaimer, Omegaverse is not like this. Ito hindi normal, ha? Hindi normal occurrence to. Ito na yun.
So yeah, so that is all for our BL at CBTL.
Sa real CBDL. Ay.